And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket is where we begin. TVJ Sports has been 2022, while the Jamaican franchise previously won in 2013 and 2016 as well. Football now. Jamaica's Reggae Boys remained at number 55 in the world in the last FIFA men's rankings for the year, which was released on Thursday. The Jamaicans, who started the year ranked at 66th in the world, remained the number one ranked team in the Caribbean. In CONCACAF, Jamaica is ranked behind the USA, who remained at 12th in the world, Mexico, who fell one place to 14th, Panama at 41st, and Canada at 48th. Panama ended the year with the distinction of making the largest leap of all countries in 2023, rising at 20 spots over the course of the year. Meanwhile, the top 10 remain unchanged since the last rankings update on November 30, with world champions Argentina still atop, followed by France, England, Belgium, Brazil, Netherlands, Portugal, Spain, Italy, and Croatia. The next FIFA Men's World Rankings will be released in February 2024. Meanwhile, Reggae boy Shamar Nicholson was on the score sheet for Clermont in their 3-1 defeat to Rennes in the French Ligue 1. Nicholson actually gave Clermont the lead in the third minute of play, his second goal of the season, but Rennes would equalize in the 52nd minute through Arnaud Calimundo. Desiree Dewey then gave Rennes the lead in the 88th before Ludovic Blas sealed the win in time added from the penalty spot. Nicholson was substituted in the 84th minute for struggling Clermont, who remain at the foot of the table with 2 wins from 17 matches in the league so far this season. And that's the final whistle for Midday Sports. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, have a good afternoon.